Hi, Alice.
She's a waitress and a bartender. I married Lindsay, the previous owner.
Here you go. Call it that.
I had to go back to work at my other company, which is a metal stud manufacturing company. I told her I needed to get rid of the Long Branch, and she says, "Give me the opportunity."
Good job, baby girl. Call it that.
When my mom told me that she was going to take this over, excuse my language, I was pissed off.
Good job, sweetie.
What she was doing.
Let's do it again. That's a little further.
About a year and a half ago.
Oh, you're not interested now?
Downhill. The restaurant is losing about 10.
You could do it. Good job.
My husband and I have put in at least.
Oh my gosh. Good. No. You can't have the shoes.
To put another dime into this place.
We're both losing sleep, which makes us tired, and it makes us irritable with one another.